Keeping track of customer deposits and prepayments is crucial for any business to stay organized and ensure accurate financial reporting. In this quick 3-minute guide, we'll go over how to track these transactions effectively so you can avoid confusion and maintain solid financial records. First, let's talk about why tracking customer deposits and prepayments is so important. It helps you manage cash flow, ensures you deliver the right products or services, and provides clear financial insights. You don't want to mix up customer deposits with actual sales revenue, as they affect your balance sheet and cash flow differently. To start, you should create a separate account in your accounting system specifically for customer deposits and prepayments. This allows you to easily track what's been paid in advance and ensures it doesn't get mixed into your regular income. Once you have that set up, record each deposit or prepayment as it comes in, noting the customer's details and the amount they've paid. Now, when it comes to the software we'll be using, there are plenty of tools out there, but we found one that stands out in terms of simplicity and efficiency. You can take advantage of a special free trial for this software, exclusive to my channel viewers, linked in the description below. With this software, you can easily manage deposits and prepayments, automate reminders for outstanding balances, and generate accurate reports without hassle. Next, keep detailed notes about each customer's deposit. For example, note the product or service they've paid for and the payment terms. This will help you track exactly what needs to be delivered and when. It's also important to set up reminders within your accounting system, so you never miss when a customer has paid in advance and when their full payment or service delivery is due. When a customer's prepayment is applied to a sale, make sure to update the status in your system. You can do this by simply marking the deposit as paid and linking it to the corresponding invoice or transaction. This ensures that when you generate reports, everything is accurate and up to date. Additionally, review your records regularly. Having a system where you can quickly pull up customer deposits and prepayments lets you catch any discrepancies before they become an issue. You can also track deposits for future orders or recurring payments to keep everything in order. The key takeaway here is that properly tracking customer deposits and prepayments is essential for maintaining financial accuracy, avoiding confusion, and ensuring smooth cash flow management. Make sure to separate deposits from your regular income, record them promptly, and always update your system when payments are applied. To quickly recap, set up a dedicated account for deposits, record each transaction with details, use software to streamline this process, update when payments are applied, and review your records regularly. And don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial for the software we're using, available only to viewers of my channel. Check the link in the description below to follow along. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.